camera rolling, and in fact, can you give me a quick clap, please, Rich? Great, thank you. Cool, and whenever you're ready, mate. Ever been filmed by two blokes in a car before?
Never.
What time did you get up this morning?
I was up about 5:30 this morning. The earlier I get up, the better my day goes, really. So as soon as I'm on the way to the job, I'm basically thinking of how my day's gonna roll out and making sure I can get the job done effectively. I am travelling to John Guest in Maidenhead. We are servicing the AX range of printers that they have here. Oh, we're green. That's better. And just to make sure that everything's working smoothly as it should be. Hi Greg.
Hi there, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Good journey?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, excellent.
Not bad at all. Any issues? All going okay?
No, everything's been fine, just some routine services.
Domino provide an overall solution for marking and coding. Here at John Guest, I'm printing on pipe work. Domino, the service channel, have gone through a program called Step Change in Service. It's about really going that extra mile to make sure the customer is happy, and most importantly, make sure that their printer is running. So here at RWC John Guest, I've been here a number of times servicing. Some customers will be losing a lot of money every time their line is down. It's down to an engineer to get the line running again. I think it's a great sense of achievement when you fix a printer. To ensure that a product is still meeting the customer's needs on site, from an engineer point of view, you are the face of Domino. I always have that conversation with a customer about being proactive. Change the filters, all running, ready to print nicely.
Good, good.
No issues. And looking into maybe upgrading them printers to the newer technology. No, it's all good, mate. Really good.
Excellent,
You got any other issues?
Yeah, I've got an issue on another line. I'd like just a bit of advice on it, really. It's working, but I'd like your advice, yeah?
Sure. So now I'm just taking this opportunity to fill out my job notes, and once I've got the signature, make sure the site contact's happy, and then I'll be on my way, get home, and then prepare for tomorrow's job. Opportunities to progress at Domino are unlimited, I guess. If you apply yourself, Domino will support you 100%. I really enjoy my job. It is the only job I've ever had where I'm not actively looking for another role within another company. I think that says it all, really. Being able to solve issues for customers, to get their line up and running, and just generally keep them happy is probably the biggest satisfaction for me as an engineer.